Welcome to another day at Mountain Creek Bikepark. Today I am going to make a video of riding all the blue trails at Mountain Creek. We have a good amount of them, and funny thing is a lot of these blue trails were actually black trails only 2 seasons ago, but they just changed the color and now they're easier, but no, not really. Let's start off with bushwhack. This used to be a black trail. This is actually one of my favorite rock trails here. Something warned me about that compression over there. I feel like it just run it out for some reason, but that's okay. I'm riding a little sketchy today, but we'll make it work. I'm going to take that directly into Hudson River. This is another short connector trail. It's labeled blue. I'd say that's a fairly accurate statement that it's blue. Oh, this section right here is pretty tough to get up with. The downhill bike will be dead. Oh, yeah. Oh, the thing about New York and the Hudson River, this trail name is appropriate. All right, we made it through that one. On to the next. Another blue trail. This one's called Waterboy. That used to be a black trail. And yeah, I think for Mountain Creek this is blue. Anywhere else, without a doubt, it would be a black. Oh my God, that was not how you're supposed to ride that. By the way, too, I'm rocking new 510s. I got earlier this year, I think, and they just do not feel the same. They're the Freerider Pros. They do not feel the same as my last two pairs of Freerider Pros. I feel like my feet are all over the place. So I don't know what's going on with that. A little bit of flow mixed in here. Section right here always freaks me out a little bit. This is one of those trails I just, oh God, need to ride more to get better at. Alrighty, blue trail for you, Waterboy. Yeah. On to lower DMLH. I've been told it stands for Death Metal Lives Here, or Dude My Loins Hurt or something. I'm not really sure. But oh, that was some riding right there. But either way, it's a pretty fun trail. You know, it's considered a blue. I don't know if I'd really consider it a blue. It gets pretty gnarly. Oh man. This is my second run through here, and I took this bad line last time too. I am pretty good at taking bad lines, so why wouldn't I? Yeah, you think it's gonna smooth out, but nope. Anything but smooth. And this right here, I don't know what's going on. This is super chunky. That is not the way to go. That never used to be like that. Let's go hit, what is it called? Breakout. So, this is a blue jump trail. It's probably actually a blue, but I'm not all that good at jumping the jumps on here, or just in general. So, you may have met him in my last video at, not last video, you know, when we rode at Sterling. Well, my buddy Ben here. So, I'm gonna pass the camera over to him. See if I get this off my chest. This is a process, and I almost died right there. Holy crap. Oh, hello. Hitting frog pond. Well, if you don't know what this is rated, it's probably blue. Woo. Gotta be a better line through here. No, it's probably it.
No, you're fine, you're fine.
Yep. All right. Squeaky bike is coming back.